Step 1. Brainstorm words associated with your brand and what you want your logo to communicate. Step 2. Research existing logos in your industry to understand trends, but aim for something unique. Step 3. Sketch out various logo concepts based on your brainstorming and research. Don't limit yourself initially. Step 4. Choose 2 to 3 of your strongest sketches to refine further. Consider scalability and versatility. Step 5. Select a color palette that reflects your brand's personality. Limit yourself to 2 to 3 colors max. Step 6. Pick a font or 2 that is legible and complements your logo's visual style. Consider serif or sans serif. Step 7. Digitize your chosen sketch using graphic design software. Tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator work well. Step 8. Experiment with different color combinations, font pairings, and layouts within your chosen software. Step 9. Get feedback on your logo design from others. Consider your target audience's perspectives. Step 10. Finalize your logo design, saving it in various file formats, e.g., PNG, JPG, SVG, for different uses.